Imagine gazing up at the night sky and realizing that every twinkling star could host entire worlds, planets with oceans, mountains, storms, and maybe even life. For centuries, humanity has asked one of the biggest questions of all: are we alone in the universe? In our journey to answer this, we've discovered thousands of planets beyond our solar system, called exoplanets. Among them, one stands out as especially intriguing. Its name is Kepler 438b, and some call it Earth's twin. But how similar is it really? Could humans live there? Could life already exist on this distant world? Let's take a journey across 640 light years of space and explore one of the most fascinating planets ever discovered. Kepler 438b was discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, a mission designed to find exoplanets by observing subtle dips in a star's brightness. When a planet passes in front of its star even slightly, it blocks a tiny amount of light. And that's how we know something is there. Kepler 438b was one of the most exciting finds from this mission. It orbits a small red dwarf star called Kepler 438, located in the Lyra constellation, about 640 light years from Earth. This means the light we see from that star today actually left it around the year 1385, when the world was a very different place.
So, what makes Kepler 438b so special? For starters, it's a rocky planet just like Earth. It's not a gas giant like Jupiter or Saturn. Its diameter is about 12% larger than Earth's, which means gravity on its surface would be slightly stronger, but not overwhelmingly so. It's also located in the habitable zone of its star, sometimes called the Goldilocks zone. This is the region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, and where there's water, there might be life. Kepler 438b orbits very close to its star, so close in fact that one full orbit takes only 35 Earth days. That means a year on Kepler 438b is just over a month for us. But this close distance brings challenges. The host star, Kepler 438, is a red dwarf, a small, cool star compared to our Sun. However, red dwarfs are known for being extremely active. They often produce powerful solar flares, massive explosions of energy that can strip away a planet's atmosphere and expose its surface to dangerous radiation. Studies suggest Kepler 438 experiences these intense flares up to 10 times more often than our Sun. This raises serious doubts about whether the planet's surface is truly habitable. If Kepler 438b doesn't have a strong magnetic field, it may have lost its atmosphere long ago. So, could life exist on Kepler 438b? The answer is complicated. On one hand, it has the right size, the right structure, and it's in the right location. Its Earth Similarity Index is an impressive 0.88 out of 1 of the highest ever recorded. But on the other hand, the threat from stellar radiation is significant. If the planet had a dense atmosphere and a protective magnetic field, it might still be safe. If it had large oceans or subsurface lakes, life could exist below the surface, hidden from the harsh conditions above, similar to how life survives in deep oceans here on Earth. The truth is, we just don't know yet. One of the biggest mysteries is whether Kepler 438b has an atmosphere at all. Right now, with existing technology, we can't directly observe atmospheres on such distant planets. But with the arrival of new space telescopes like James Webb, We're beginning to analyze the chemical signatures of faraway worlds. In the coming years, we may detect gases like oxygen, methane, or carbon dioxide, possible indicators of biological activity in the atmospheres of planets like Kepler 438b. If such signs are found, it would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history.
Kepler 438b is part of a new age in astronomy, one where we are no longer asking if planets exist beyond our solar system, but what they're like and whether they're inhabited. Thanks to missions like Kepler, TESS, and James Webb, we're assembling a cosmic map of potentially habitable worlds. And Kepler 438b is still one of the most promising. One day, maybe decades or centuries from now, future spacecraft could travel to these distant stars, carrying robots, AI, or even people on a mission to explore these alien Earths. Kepler 438b reminds us that we are not just citizens of Earth, we are explorers of the cosmos. It's a symbol of hope, curiosity, and our unending quest to understand our place in the universe. Are we alone? Somewhere out there, 640 light years away, a new Earth may be waiting. And the answer to our greatest question might already be shining in the distant light of a star. If you enjoyed this journey through the stars, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new exploration. Got questions about space or a planet you'd like us to cover next? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. And remember, the universe is vast, and the adventure is just beginning.